Okay, we can get started. I think the coffee machine is off now. So there's a lot of people in the room, 15 people in the room. Can I ask who already uses Canva? Does anybody here aware? Yeah. Okay, so some people use it, some people don't. So today's coffee lecture is on Canva. And I want to say right at the beginning that I wanted to do a live demo and it was misbehaving very badly this morning and the lag was really long. So I have to do it with slides, which is a pity, but I'll try at the end to do a live demo. So Canva is a online software for doing design. Uh, Graphic design, they have a lot of templates and a lot of design elements, like millions of templates and design elements. So they've just done a new release on October 31st, which I think might be the reason why there's a bit of a lag this morning. But these are some of the things you can do with it. You can make presentations, posters. I do flyers with Canva. Things like resumes and emails I don't use, but I do social media posts. So you can do all of your social media posts and they have all of the right sizes and the right resolutions. And then you can post them directly from Canva. Some other things that are relatively new are sheets. So they have an Excel-like sheet where you can create graphics and those graphics you can use in your designs. It's really amazing software. There's so much more. And you can do branding. So for websites and emails, if you have something you want to have a specific look, then you can do some branding there and always use the same templates, the same colors, the same styles, the same schemes. Okay, Canva is available on a freemium model, and that means they have free and you can pay more to get the pro version. The pro version is 128 francs a year. I think for what you get, I mean, if you use it, you can get this value out of it. And free, you get a lot. You can see here it has 1.6 million templates for free. And you also have these elements of videos and graphics that you can embed. And you get some AI support with the pro version. You get a lot more. You get the video editor. You have a lot more templates, a lot more elements that you can add, and a lot of AI support. So you can basically say, I want a design that looks like this, and it'll provide it for you. So here, if I just happen to open LinkedIn banner, this is like I can go open the editor. I say I want a LinkedIn banner template, and here it just provides me a lot. You can see the ones with the crowns are ones for the pro version. So I can not have everything with the free version, but I get a lot. And now I can take this one and customize it how I like it. Okay, so if you go to the home page, it looks like this, and you can see here all of the things you may want to design. And yeah, it asks, what do you want to design today? The AI is prominent, so you can just ask the AI what you want. Here you can create something new. You have the home. This is the home, so you can always go back here. Here are my saved projects, and you have templates. Branding is here. ETH Zurich does have templates for Canva that are available to institute managers or department social media. You have to talk to the corporate communications if you want to get access to the templates. Okay, so I want to create a design. I can just type in here, what do I want to create? Oh, I want to create a LinkedIn banner, or I want to create an Instagram post, and it'll pop me up all the templates for that. Here you can see the ETH brand templates. So if you look at ETH's social media, you can recognize these templates here. And if you want ETH to propagate your posts, then they should be using these templates. Okay, so I put in the LinkedIn banner. I come over here, I get some designs, I can just pick that up or click it and drag it to the thing. And then you have something that looks like this. All of the elements here, the photos, the text, it's all clickable. When you click on it, you get a element specific menu that comes up like this. And all I have to do now is type over that and I can change it to my own thing. And they're all like this. It's so easy to use. It's just basically click on things, get a menu. That when you have this element specific menu, it says ask Canva there. You can click on it, ask it, how do I'm doing this all the time. How do I get this? And it'll explain in clear text what you need to do it. Okay, so I can also go to this, like I've gone to the elements here, and I can say, I want to put a chicken. I'm a chicken mama. I want to put my chicken there, and then it'll search through all of the elements and bring up, and they have elements for everything. I just drag the chicken on here, and now he's in my LinkedIn banner. Okay, and as I mentioned, every element that you have has a element specific menu. So you get everything, almost everything, not everything. You get a lot that you get in Illustrator. So you have copy paste, of course, you can rotate, you can group things, ungroup those. You have aligning, you can align to the page, you can click two elements and align those elements to each other. And once you get the hang of it, it's quite intuitive. They also have layers. So every new element that's added is on a layer. So you can go to the layer page and just drag them in the order you want to make things come to the top, but they also have like move to the bottom or move to the top. Over here, you can see some color schemes. Here I have ETH Zurich color schemes. So this is the ETH petrol that once you see it, you can not unsee it. It's all over the place. And I can choose, I have a lot of customization abilities. Okay, so this is a presentation which, yeah, you can see they have a lot of different pages. The different pages that they have for each presentation, I took one this morning, it had 14 different layouts that all fit the same style. So I have this style for this presentation, which incidentally is one of the LinkedIn training videos because that was available this morning. And once I have clicked on a template for something, I can customize it by the content, the style, and the color scheme. So here I've taken this one and it gives me some other templates that I can use. And this one has a color scheme of black, brown, and white. I can just go here, say apply the colors only, apply the text only, apply the style only, and it'll update mine. So even though you have 15 million templates, once you start combining the colors and styles, you have a lot. So then it takes the same template and just changes the color. I can also go to the styles and I have the ETH style in here. I've chosen the ETH petrol, this color. And ETH Corporate Communications has created templates for social media and put in all of their colors so you can update your things with ETH colors. A few of the designs I've done are this. It was a book event. This was one of the first drafts. So what I think about Canva is it's not hard to get something that's good enough, but it's not like Illustrator where you put everything where you want it to be and draw your own forms. But I mean, for a book event, we had this lady come and read a book. This was perfectly good for the flyer for the advertisement, and we did it ourselves. And you can adapt this for different platforms. So you can say, I want an Instagram post, an Instagram story, a LinkedIn post, a TikTok video. And you, like we did it by hand here, making all of these elements ourselves. You have this 1920 by 1080 is the size for the screens. So we had that too, but they also have a resize tool that will, in theory, resize it to everything and any possible size that you want. And then you can rearrange the content or change the content to have it as you want. And what they have for social media are all of these Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. And they also have animation, which I don't go into here because I don't do that. They have carousel posts you can do like this. This was a post for Zuri Learnt, where Leo, my colleague Leo, gave a talk for the public at Zuri Learnt. And you create the carousel post like this, export it as a PDF, and you can post it to LinkedIn as a PDF, or you can post it directly to LinkedIn if you linked your accounts. Okay, here's something else. I made just images for a Moodle course. This was a template. I think the template existed. I just put in my font and my words. They also have, if you have the pro version, Canva Design School, where you can sit there and learn how to use all the elements. There's really so much here. It's impossible to cover in 10 minutes. And they had a big release on October 31st, which is 6 days ago. So now they have a video editor with control over the cutting and timing. They have a lot of cool features that you might use on social media. You can remove the background. You can draw with your mouse like a trajectory and have a little video follow it. They have Canva AI now where you can say, I want a picture of a man in space, and it will give you a picture of a man in space. It might not be exactly what you want, but it's something. And now all of their elements can be changed into 3D. So if you want a 3D element, and they have added things for websites and email templates. So if you have a business, you can make templates that match across your whole design for your business. Okay, so there's the coffee lecture card. If anybody wants the coffee lecture card, and I'm going to try and see if it'll work now. Okay, this morning it was not. So I do create, and what I would like to create is a LinkedIn post. And I can just click on the template here. See, this is the lag I was experiencing. And then he says, describe your design. I'm going to put in a coffee cup. And if I hit return, he didn't show me the coffee cup I wanted. This one, life is better with coffee. But I want to change that a little bit. So I'm going to say life is better with coffee lectures. And now I can resize very easily. It's so intuitive and so easy. And move this in the middle. And now I can go up here to share. And I have connected my LinkedIn account, so I can go to the LinkedIn page, and we'll try and see if we can post from the info centrum. That's a wrap. See you in 2026 for the 37th coffee lecture series. Oops. RIES. And now we can see if it'll publish. I don't know what's going to happen because I've never done this. And now it's published social media, or the info centrum's post published. So check out my post. And if we go to LinkedIn, there you go. There it is. So couldn't be easier. Okay, so that's just a very brief introduction. There's so much to do with Canva that it can't be explained in an hour. So give it a try with the free version. Okay, there's any questions online or in the room? Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy to take questions.